Okay, here's the first problem. It didn't do it. Let me try it again. Okay. That kind of did it. Let's try it again. There, it did it. What happens is it's like it's not hitting the ball straight or something, and it kind of like bounces against the sides here and just kind of stops up here. It's like it's shooting it crooked. And I've opened this thing up before, and it seems like this plunger is hitting it straight. I bought a new plunger tip, but I just don't know what the problem is. If I hit the ball, if I don't pull the plunger back all the way, then it seems to hit it straight. Maybe that's normal, but I don't know. But if I do a full hit, that's when it seems like the ball kind of bounces off the edges and kind of stops up here somewhere and then comes down. So I'm not sure if that's normal or not. I don't recall seeing that in other pinball machines, but just wondering what your opinion is on that. The other problem is a little bit harder to reproduce, and the other problem is when the ball comes down this ramp and it comes down here. Well, actually, there's two problems. When it comes down this ramp, comes down here, it falls down on this metal plate, and then it's spinning, so it kind of bounces back and goes down here sometimes. And that always ticks people off when it's supposed to go down here so that they can hit it and get to the steps. But instead it comes down here, falls on the plate, and goes whoops. It's kind of because the ball's in a spin. So there's a blue rubber pad here that is supposed to hit and then fall. It's a little bit sticky, but I mean I've cleaned that thing off before, and it didn't really make a difference. So I'm wondering what I could do to make sure that like when it falls down, it just comes down here. And then the other problem I'm still trying to figure out is this ramp. When the ball comes down here, sometimes it comes down fast and it kind of like leaks out this side here. I don't know if there's a missing piece or what. Maybe there's supposed to be like a plastic piece covering this so it just falls down. But sometimes it'll come out and go on top of this this guy. It'll go on top of this plastic and then kind of roll around and then come down here. So, and I do notice that this rail seems a little bit crooked. I don't know if you can see, but if I look at it straight, it just seems like a little crooked. I'm wondering if this ramp needs to be replaced or something. This ramp is pretty old. I have some decay that I've repaired up here. And I think, like, let's see, you can see that this, I think there's supposed to be a post right there, but I'm not sure. Anyway, it just seems like, I'm wondering if I'm missing some parts somewhere that's causing these two problems. But anyway, just wondering what your opinion is. See if you had any ideas what's causing these things and like how I should proceed. Thanks.